Capricorn. Card for Capricorn, bottled up feelings. Tell me about this bottle and what are you putting into that bottle that wants to explode? Capricorn. One more card for Capricorn, please. Thank you. Carrying other people's bad choices. You're carrying other people's emotions and feelings on your shoulder. You are getting tired of the same old. Why can't they help themselves? Why do you need to help them when they can't even help themselves? The Knight of Swords, it's time to take a step back. Three of Cups, it's time to take a step back from people that are using you as a crutch and is using you to carry their baggage. That is their responsibility, not your responsibility. It's time to tell them to, I'm here to support you, but I'm not gonna carry you any longer. I'm tired of carrying you. This lid needs to be removed, and that is what needs to be said. Knight of Swords. Tell me about the Knight of Swords.